Onyinyechi's names give him the power to be kind-hearted, understanding, and intuitive. Tag and share this video with all the Onyinyechi's/Onyinyes that you know. Thanks. So, if you would like an Igbo name, please hit me up on my Instagram DM, link in the description, and I'll give you an Igbo name based off of personality traits and events surrounding your entry into this world, your birth, the way your family members and friends would describe you, things like that. That's the best way to give you a truly culturally authentic Igbo name, right? And if you are Igbo, let me know in my Instagram as well too, or leave me a comment, and I can feature your name on the next Igbo name of the day. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.